If you have ever tried learning a new language, you may have noticed something incredible. Some tongues sound so strikingly similar that speaker from one country can almost understand speaker from another without taking a single lesson. That is precisely the case with Spanish and Italian, two of the world's most popular Romance languages, spoken by over 600 million people globally. Both languages evolved directly from Vulgar Latin over 2,000 years ago because of their shared family tree, counting from 0 to 100 in Spanish and Italian reveals a fascinating linguistic rhythm. Subtle vowel shifts, double consonants, and identical roots show just how connected these two cultures really are. Welcome back to Hidden Globe. Today, we are placing Spanish and Italian side by side to master numbers, understand their linguistic origins, and see just how easy it is to learn two world languages at once. Let's dive in. Let's start at the very beginning with single digits numbers 0 through 10. Listen closely to how the Latin roots shaped both languages. Starting with 0, in Spanish, it is cero, cro. In Italian, it is 0, zero. Number 1, Spanish uses uno, while Italian also uses uno. A complete match. Number 2, Spanish is dos, whereas Italian shifts to do. Number 3, Spanish uses tres, and Italian uses tre. Number 4, Spanish says cuatro, while Italian doubles the T to say quattro. Number 5, Spanish is cinco, while Italian is cinque. Number 6, Spanish uses seis, while Italian uses se. Number 7, Spanish says siete, while Italian uses set. Number 8, Spanish is ocho, while Italian uses otto. Number 9, Spanish says nueve, while Italian uses nove. And number 10, Spanish uses diez, while Italian finishes the single digits with diesi. Notice the pattern? While Spanish often adds diphthongs like ie or ue in words like siete and nueve, Italian prefers double consonants like the double T in set and quattro. Now that we have covered single digits, let's move on to the tens, counting from 20 all the way to 90. This is where the cadence of both languages truly shines. 20, Spanish is veinte, while Italian is venti. 30, Spanish uses treinta, while Italian says trenta. 40, Spanish uses cuarenta, while Italian uses quaranta. 50, Spanish says cinquenta, while Italian says cinquanta. 60, Spanish is sesenta, while Italian uses sessanta. 70, Spanish says setenta, while Italian uses settanta. 80, Spanish uses ochenta, while Italian says ottanta. And 90, Spanish uses noventa, while Italian finishes with novanta, an exact match in spelling. As you can hear, both languages build their tens using very similar suffix patterns. Spanish consistently relies on the enta ending, while Italian frequently utilizes enta or enta with double consonants. Once you cross into the hundreds, using numbers in everyday scenarios, like buying coffee or asking for prices while traveling, becomes second nature. To say 100 in Spanish, the word is cien or ciento when followed by other numbers. In Italian, it is cento. So, if you are shopping in Madrid and want to say $100, you would say $100. If you are in Rome or Milan, you would say $100. To say 200, Spanish combines 2 and 100 into one word, doscientos. Italian keeps a similar structure, decento. Therefore, $200 becomes $200 in Spanish and $200 in Italian. Whether you are negotiating at a market in South America or booking a train ticket across Italy, understanding these simple numerical bridges makes navigating the Romance world effortless. Comparing Spanish and Italian side by side proves that learning a second Romance language isn't as intimidating as it seems, because both languages share Latin heritage. Mastering the foundations of one gives you a massive head start in learning the other. By spotting simple patterns, like vowel swaps and consonant shifts, you can easily expand your vocabulary across both Spanish and Italian with half the effort. Which of these two languages do you find easier to pronounce? And which language family or country should we explore side by side in our next episode? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this linguistic breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with a fellow language learner, and subscribe to Hidden Globe for more educational deep dives around our world. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next exploration.